sacrifice aside. Assalamu alaikum, Aisha.
你好。
You don't, she doesn't know Assalamu alaikum?
你不知道就是他刚才用那个阿拉伯语给你问候，你不知道是吧？
以前听过，
Heard
听过
before.
但是
Okay. Aisha, are you Uyghur?
你是维吾尔族吗？
是的，维吾尔族。
Are you a Muslim?
那你是穆斯林吗
You are not a Muslim?
？No。
What religion do you have?
那你信仰什么宗教呢
我信仰的是马列主义，对我是一个共产党员。
？Because she's member of the Communist Party,
Oh,
so
so
she's atheist.
she's an atheist. All right. So you are working in this company. Do you feel okay working with it?
你在这个公司里面工作，你感觉怎么样？
感觉反正特别好，党和国家政策对，尤其是对我们少数民族是很照顾的。
So she felt quite happy working in this company, especially with the preferential policies given by the government as well as the Communist Party to the ethnic groups. He felt quite happy.
What preferences do you have?
就是党和国家给少数民族的什么政策，能具体说一下吗？
比如说我自己就是从上小学到大学毕业，所有学费都是免费的，伙食费都是全免的。我自己就是享受到了党和国家这样一个好政策。
So take herself for example, she enjoys the free education policies from primary school to senior high school, and all the tuition accommodations are covered by government.
Are you discriminated because you are an Uyghur?
那作为维吾尔人，你感觉到有时就是在这个有时候感觉到被歧视吗？
没有，
No.
Do you have religious freedoms? If you want, let us say, to be a Muslim and believe in God, can you do that?
但是就是说宗教信仰，你觉得是有自由的吗？就比如说，假如说如果你想要信仰伊斯兰教或者其他宗教的话，你有这个自由吗
在我们国家宗教信仰是完全有那个自由的，
？Yes,
有
yes.
自由。
Are there many other Uyghurs working in your company?
就是在咱们公司里面还有其他的维吾尔族员工吗？
有，
多少个？多少个？
现在公司职工是86个人，
维吾尔族有多少？
这个我不太清楚，因为我不是这个公司的员工。
哦，你不是公司员工。There are 86 employees in this company, but there are other Uyghurs.
There are other Uyghurs. So they have no problem in employment, right?
所以就维吾尔族在就业上面，就是比如说在这公司就业，或者在这种就业上面是不存在任何问题的。
对，不存在的。
No problem.
What is the name of your father and your mother?
你的爸爸妈妈叫什么名字？给他介绍一下。
我爸爸叫马木提麦克提里，然后我妈妈叫阿依特拉奥提。
His father's name is Mahmuti
麦克提里，
Mamatini,
对，
and
妈妈叫阿依特拉奥提。
mother's name Aitila Auti.
啊，对，
Aitila Auti.
And your name was Aisha?
你的名字叫艾仙，
马木提。
艾仙马木提。
Do you know who is Aisha?
你知道这个就是也是叫艾仙的这个人，这个维吾尔艾仙，
What is the meaning of the word
你知
Aisha?
道这个的名字的意义吗？艾仙。
不知道，反正之前就是后面就是加个鼓励嘛，别人就叫我就是爱仙鼓励，爱仙鼓励那样子的。不是爱仙，是爱仙鼓励。
你的名字叫艾仙，但是周围的人都叫你艾仙格里。
对，爱仙鼓励这样子的。
Her name is Aishan. However, people around her always call her Aishan Gul. Gul in Uyghur language means flower.
But do you know the meaning of the word Aisha? Where does it come from?
但是你知道这个艾仙这个词，它是从哪儿来的？它的意义是什么吗？
这个不太清楚。
记得怎么？
Okay, I'm telling you. Aisha was the wife of Prophet Muhammad.
他说艾仙是那个穆圣的妻子，
啊？
穆罕默德的妻子。
我第一次听这
First
个。
time she heard.
How old are you?
你多大
我26岁了。
？26。
What is the name? Where do you live? In the city or in a village?
你住在哪？住在这个村子还是住在城市
我们
里面
家在阿克苏市里面。
？City of Aksu。
Have you ever seen a Quran in your life?
你以前读过那个古兰经吗
没有。
？No。
Have you ever seen a mosque in your life?
那你 seen the
A
mosque？
mosque. Jam. Mosque. Where
那
Muslim.
清真寺呢？以前见过吧？这个清真寺见过吗
就是远远的见过，但是没有进去看过。
？Yeah, of course, but never visit inside.
Okay. Do you know people that you know that go to mosque?
那
and pray.
你认识的人或者你知道的人，有人去这个清真寺做这个礼拜吗？
我周围的人，因为我是一个国家公职人员嘛，我周围的人差不多，反正跟我一样，也是，他们也都是国家公职人员，他们没有的。但是，就是我老公那方面，就是有几个朋友，他们不是国家公职人员，他们有这个信仰宗教的那个什么，我听他们说过，他们有去过，但是我周围的朋友没有。
Her friends, most of her friends work in the government, all work in the government. So they are atheists as well. However, her husband, some of her husband's friends did pay regular visit to the mosque.
So no problem. They can go to the mosque. There is no problem, right?
所以去清真寺应该是没有问题的。
对，没有问
No
题。
problem.
Do you know who is Allah?
Allah,
Yeah. Do you know who is Allah?
she,
Yeah.
she's an atheist.
Yeah, but ask her. I know that she is.
那就是尽管知道您是这个无神论者，但是他还想问您，您知道真主安拉吗
听说过，
？Yeah, of course.
Who is Allah?
那对您来说，谁是真主安拉呢？
这个，因为我不相信这些东西，
She is an atheist, so
So you don't know who
我
is
是相
Allah?
信科学的，我不相信
she
这些东
believes
西。
science and technology.
All right. Okay, Aisha, thank you very much. I'm very happy meeting you.
见到你很高兴。
I just want people of the outside world to understand what young Uyghurs like Aisha feel and think like. Thank you very much indeed.
没关系，没关系。
We Muslims usually salute each other. We say Salam Alaikum, which means may peace be with you.
他说就是那个阿拉用这个穆斯林一般用那个就是刚才他说那个
Salam alaikum
salam alaikum 这个话来说来问候彼此，然后它是一个非常常见的问候语，就是说 May peace with you，
Peace be with you.
就是祝你内心能够平和安详。
Salam Alaikum. Give him a hand. You should say Alaikum Salam. Tell her.
他说如果别人给你说 salam alaikum 的时候，你要说
Alaikum Salam.
alaikum assalam。alaikum assalam。
All right.
行，我知道了。
Thank you.
She got it. She got
Thank
it.
you very